I have an adorable story today that I'm so excited to share with you. She says, I'd like to see if you can connect with my dog that's passed. Then Lulu shifts and I get to see this woman going to bed at night. And I see stuffed toys in the bed.
Oh my God.
Yes, Kelly, I see dog toys in the bed. And Lulu says, you have to be specific about this.
Really? I feel like that was specific enough.
She says they're not the squeaky ones. And I'm like, what? And she goes, oh no, this has to be specific. She says, I want you to say that there are no squeaky toys in the bed. That's the thing. And I'm like, what do you mean? And Lulu says, oh, it's a thing. She wanted to bring all the toys into bed, but when her husband would roll over, he'd roll over on a squeaky toy and wake up.
You could be listening right now. Coffee with the Sarlos airs early for our patrons on patreon.com/the Sarlos.